Hi everyone, I hope everyone fine. Welcome to Bashir Maths World channel. In this video, we will learn the topic of inversion of Gauss elimination method. So let's begin. Inversion of matrix by Gauss-Jordan method. Today we have to learn So inversion we can find out the so many types, but in our syllabus, inversion of matrix by Gauss-Jordan method is there. Let's go to the topic. We can find the inversion of non-singular matrix. So inverse only for non-singular. I told before classes, inverse only for non-singular square matrix. Okay, square matrix, non-singular square matrix ke inverse untadi. Okay, already in previous class we learned. Using elementary row operations. Using elementary row operations only. Your important point is using elementary row operations only. This method is also known as Gauss-Jordan method. Gauss-Jordan method. So what is the working rule of inversion of Gauss-Jordan method? So look here. First point. Suppose A is a non-singular matrix, non-singular square matrix. Okay, non-singular square matrix of order n. Now we can write A is equal to INA. A is equal to INA. A is equal to IN means identity matrix of nth order A. So this form we can write always in Gauss-Jordan method. Okay, A is equal to INA, IN into A always Gauss-Jordan method రాయాలి. That method is called inversion of matrix by Gauss-Jordan method అని. Okay. Now we apply element row operations only to the matrix A. అంటే ఏ matrix ని row matrix row operations apply చేయాలి. And the prefactor of identity matrix and right side also, right hand side also we have to apply the row operations. Okay, left side A ని apply చేయాలి, right side identity matrix apply చేయాలి. Okay, this is the method. Fourth point, we will do this process till we get an equation of the form. This process up to we will do left side matrix become identity matrix and right side identity matrix become some other matrix. Then we denoted by B, capital B. Okay, ఈ ఫామ్ లో రావాలి. ఈ టోటల్ ఈక్వేషన్ కన్వర్టెడ్ ఇంటూ ఐడెంటి మ్యాట్రిక్స్ రైట్ సైడ్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ రావాలి, రైట్ సైడ్ సమ్ అదర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ వస్తుందమ్మా, దాన్ని బిగా డినోట్ చేస్తాము. ఓకే, సో దెన్ వీ కెన్ డిసైడ్ ఏబి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఐ మీన్స్ వాట్, ఏబి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఐ. సో మీన్స్ వాట్ ఐ టోల్డ్ బిఫోర్ డెఫినేషన్స్, బి ఈజ్ ద ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ, బి ఈజ్ ద ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఇట్లా ఏబి ఈక్వల్ టు ఐ ఫామ్ వచ్చిందంటే బి ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ అని మనకు తెలుసు ఆల్రెడీ బిఫోర్. ఓకే, లెట్స్ గో టు ద ప్రాబ్లం. Find the inverse of A is equal to -2 1 3 0 -1 1 1 -2 0 by using Gauss-Jordan method. Okay, let's go to the answer. Given A is equal to again -2 1 3 0 -1 1 1 -2 0. So we know that Gauss-Jordan method what ma? We can write A is equal to identity matrix into A. So here what is the order of this matrix? 3 by 3. So order of the matrix, this one A matrix is 3 by 3. That's why A is equal to identity matrix also will take 3 by 3 order into A. So right here matrices -2 1 3 0 -1 1 1 2 0. This is the A matrix is equal to identity matrix 3 by 3 order రాయాలి. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 into A. Now what is the working rule here? Only row operation apply చేసి this matrix we are convert into identity matrix. Whatever operation you do here, same operation we will do here. Okay, ఇక్కడ ఏ ఆపరేషన్ అప్లై చేస్తామో లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ రైట్ సైడ్ కూడా ఐడెంటి మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ని అప్లై చేయాలి. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ అ మెథడ్ హియర్. సో this matrix are convert into identity matrix number. So let's go here. 0 already is there here. Diagonal element this one, this element upper element we have to do 0. So already 0 is there here. R3 we have to convert. R3 is convert to 0. So what we have to do, R3 2R3 plus R1. Already I told the row operation how to do to become 0 elements. 2R3 plus R1. చూడండి ఇప్పుడు look here. If you apply the operation, so -2 0 0. So 0 came here operation. So here 5 came, 3 came. Same operation right side కూడా చేయాలి. Same operation we will do right side. What we get 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 2. ఇక్కడ కూడా సేమ్ ఈ ఆపరేషన్ అప్లై చేయాలమ్మా. R3 2R3 plus R1. ఇక్కడ కూడా సేమ్ ఆపరేషన్ చేస్తేనే we will change this matrix. Okay, so this one already 0 is there. Again we have to do what ma diagonal elements. Ivi diagonal elements, this is a base element or key element, -1. Below this element what we have to do 0. Okay, again what operation, R3 plus 5R2. So 5R2 is a 5 minus 5, what we get 0. So we will get this next matrix. So here becomes 0. Same operation this side also we will do. This matrix will get 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 5 2. So this matrix came. Okay, so diagonal elements below elements what here 0 0, this one 0. Wachna this 0 0 0 came. Same process we will do this side also, upside. This element what we have to again 0 0. Final elements kuda 0 cheyali. That's why here see that this is the base element. This is a base element and do this element should be 0. E element 0 cheyali. So operation what do, R1 changes, R1 plus R2, R1 plus R2. Now we will get 0. See the next matrix. -2 0 0 change and 0 is there. 0 minus 1 1 0 0 8. So same operation we will do right side is identity matrix. We will get what 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 5 2. Chudandi matrix change aithe. This matrix become changes. Now what happened next to again diagonal elements take. Here this is a base element. E elements ni 0 cheyali. E elements ni 0 cheyali. So we have to take the base what ma R3 row. R1 R2 changes we have to do. R1 చూడండి 2R1 minus R3. ఈ ఆపరేషన్ చేస్తే ఇది becomes 0 అవుతుంది. Because of 2 4 8 8 minus 8 0. R2 8 R2 minus R3. 8 1 8. 8 minus 8 what happened 0. So that's why next operation if you do -4 0 0 0 minus 8 0 0 0 8. This matrix came. Okay, this side also same operation we will do. Calculation we will get what 1 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 3 minus 2 1 5 2. So after that here we want to change this matrix totally identity matrix. This matrix మనం identity matrix అవ్వాలి. So diagonal elements what is there -4 -8 8 0 0 0 0 0. So upper elements lower elements are what 0 0 is there. Now ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి, diagonal elements ని 1 1 1 కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. So that's why R1 row divided by R1 divided by -4. -4 తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే it become 1. R2 divided by -8. R3 divided by 8. Same process we will do this side also, divided by. So what we get 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 is equal to -1 by 4 3 by 4 2 by 4 1 by 8 -3 by 8 2 by 8 1 by 8 5 by 8 2 by 8. చూడండి ఇప్పుడు 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0. Here identity matrix. This is B matrix, imagine, and into A. So we will write I is equal to what ma B into A. So B is the what is the this meaning of B is the inverse of A. B is the inverse of A. That's why A inverse is the matrix what ma? Minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 8, minus 3 by 8, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 5 by 8, 1 by 4. So this is the A inverse matrix. So thanks for watching Bashir Maths World. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more learning. If you have any doubt, ask in comment. We will see you in next video.